Hello happy Kia users, today I want to show you how to pair your mobile phone with Bluetooth Kia system. So first press the setting button, then choose number 4 phone, press the number 4, turn the knob to pair phone and press the knob. Next take your mobile and pull down the tab and find the setting. In settings you must find the Bluetooth, tap the Bluetooth and just wait or refresh. You should see the Kia Motors. Tap the Kia Motors and then ask you up for the passcode. On the screen in my situation is 4 times 0, so I try to use one hand. It's a bit difficult. Anyway, I need tap 4 times 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. Check the screen, is it correct? Yes, it's correct. Tap the OK and wait. Check the screen. Yes, and pairing complete. Now your phone is paired with your Bluetooth Kia system. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.